The fuselage structure is engineered for both maximum strength and lightness.
Look at this stress point right here. The simulation is showing a critical failure probability.
I'm adjusting the parameters now.
Each major component is aligned with laser precision and tested for perfect integration.
All right, bring her steady to the left. Watch the clearance on pylon 2.
Copy that. Holding position for alignment check. Looks good.
Avionics secured in the cockpit.
Seats are locked down on the right aisle. Every single system is checked and double-checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how airplanes are assembled year to rest, from start to finish.